Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter 1 of supplementary reading, The Lost Child by Mulkraj Anand. Yesterday I had given you idioms and meanings, and I had told you to make sentences from those idioms. Hope, dear students, you have done the homework. Let's continue from page 3. We are on page 3. There was a roundabout in full swing. Men, women and the children, carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently, and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. Now, so students, yesterday we saw that the child has seen different people. The sweet maid who sold gulab jamun and the other sweets, a flower seller hawk who was with a garland of gulmore. Then we saw a man who had the pole in his hand with the balloons. Snake charmer was there. After all these scenes, after seeing all these people, now his eyes go to the roundabout, okay, which was in full swing. What is the meaning of roundabout, students? The roundabout is, what is the meaning of roundabout? Roundabout is a merry-go-round. You have seen when you go to the fair and all, you get to see big giant wheel, you get to see roundabout, and so student, it was in full swing. Men, women, children were carrying in a whirling motion. What is the meaning of whirling motion? Circling motion. Circling motion. Shrieked and cried. The meaning of shrieked is screamed. Okay? So when he saw, he was excited. So he screamed, he shouted, cried out. What? With dizzy laughter, with a faint laughter. The child watched them intently. And then he made a bold request. He watched them intently, very attentively he watched them. Underline the word intently. He watched them very attentively and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. This time he is bold. All the other time he wasn't. He knew that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. Okay, in the second place you saw that if he asked for the flower, if he asked for the garland, the parents would say, oh, they were cheap. So without waiting for any answer, he goes about. When he sees the balloons, he feels if he asks the request, if he asks for the balloons, the parents will say that you are not too big to play with balloons. And so he doesn't make. But here, he was sure whether he is small or big. He can surely ask for the round. He can surely go and have the experience in roundabout. And so he was bold. He was bold. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. Turn the page, students. Then, after making the request, what was the request? To have a round in the roundabout. But then there was no reply. What happens to him? Why no reply? Where are the parents now? Then you see, there was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there ahead of him. So he turns back to see if the parents were behind. He looks in front, but they were not there. He turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. So students, he is looking here and there. He is looking front and behind. But there was no sign of them. They were not to be found. Now, what happens? A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying in real fear, Mother, Father. So students, now what is happening? A full deep cry rose within his dry throat. With a sudden jerk. What is the meaning of jerk? Move. Of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying in real fear, father and mother. Now he is very much afraid. He is feeling like crying. He is almost crying. Why is he crying? Because the parents are not there. Child seems to be lost. Child has lost his way from his parents. Now tears roll down from his eyes, hot and fierce. His flushed face was convulsed with fear. Now, students, what underline those words over there? Fierce. What is the meaning of fierce? Very angry. Okay. Then come down. What is the meaning of flush over here? Is that wet with water? Because he was crying. When you cry so much, when you sob, what happens? The tears roll from your eyes, and your face also becomes like, as if you have washed your face. So his face, flushed face was convulsed. What is the meaning of convulsed? Was shaking. It was trembling with fear. Panic-stricken, he ran to one side first, then to the other, hither and thither in all directions, knowing not where to go. So, panic-stricken, he was very much afraid, he was very much frightened. What is the meaning of panic-stricken? Is a fear-struck. What does he do? What does he do? He runs here and there, hither and thither, meaning here and there. Then what happens? In all directions, everywhere he goes, knowing not where to go. Now he doesn't know where to go. He has already ran to and front. He has ran back and forth. But now, where will he go? He looks beside, he looks in front of him, he looks back. No parents are to be found. Mother, father, he wailed. He mournfully cried. The meaning of wail is cried mournfully. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. His clothes became muddy. His clothes became dirty. The turban that he was tying, the color of the turban is yellow. And what happened? The turban came down. Having run to and fro in a rage of running for a while, he stood defeated. His cries suppressed into sobs. Now, see students, having run to and fro means here and there to and fro, meaning here and there in a rage, okay, of running for a while. After running here and there, he was also frightened, he was also angry, okay, and then because he is not able to see his parents, and he is gone now astray from his parents. He stood defeated. He knew now he is not able to find them. His cries suppressed into sobs. He is crying loudly now. At little distances, on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes men and women talking. There was also grass, on little distance there was grass, and what did he see? He saw some people were sitting, men and women, and talking there. And through his filmy eyes, whatever those small eyes, he tried to see them. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow clothes. He tried to look intently. Intently, what is the meaning of intently? Very attentively. Very attentively, he tried to look if he could see his parents among them, if they are sitting over there. But he was not able to. So, again, he is not able to find the parents. He is looking very attentively, very intently, and the parents are not to be seen. But there was no sign of his father and mother among these people who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. They were just talking and laughing just for the sake of talking and laughing. See now how the boy is feeling. They are doing this all for the sake of doing. This is not the real laughter. This is not the real way of laughing. Then he ran quickly again, this time to a shrine to which people seemed to be crowding, where the people were gathered, so many people were there. Every little inch of space here was congested with men. But he ran through people's legs, his little sob lingering. Now, what happens? He goes where the people were crowded. Every little inch of space here was congested. It was choked up, congested. What is the meaning of congested, students? The meaning of congested is choked up. Okay? And from how he is managing to go? from the people's legs, his little sob lingering moments were becoming little slow. Father, mother, again is calling out. Near the entrance to the temple, however, the crowd became very thick. The crowd went on. Crowd became very thick means the crowd became increasing. He went there. Men jostled, that is men pushed each other. Heavy men with flashing, murderous eyes and hefty shoulders. So see the type of people he is mentioning. Heavy men, maybe very fat people with flashing, murderous eyes. Their look was not so very good. Hefty shoulders, that is very heavy shoulders. The poor child struggled to push himself to show through a way between their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements, by their cruel movements. The meaning of brutal is cruel. By their cruel movements, he was thrown down. The meaning of thrust over here, students, shove or pushed. Okay? Then, so he was just thrown away. He might have been trampled underfoot had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice, Father, Mother. A man in the surging crowd heard his cry and, stooping with great difficulty, lifted him up in his arms. So student, what happened in that crowd where so many people were there, different type of people with their different look, who were pushing, and where the child was just pushed, just thrown down, he is still crying there. He is crying there, and a man hears his sobbing, and he stoops down, he bends down to lift the child up. Why to lift the child up? So that he can find out what is happening to the child. With great difficulty lifted him up in his arms. Who is he? A stranger who is trying to help the child. Now, what is the stranger asking the child? How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? How did you come here? And whose child are you? Whose baby are you, no? The man asked as he stirred clear of the mass. So, as he steered clear of the mass. The meaning of steered is came out of the mass. Mass is a crowd. Over there was a crowd of the people. As he came out from the people, the child wept more bitterly than ever. The child wept more bitterly. He cried more and more. Then, I want my mother, I want my father. What is the child demanding? I want my mother and I want my father. Where are they? I am searching for them. Okay? Now, the man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. The man tried to console him. Man tried to tell him now not to cry. Wait, I will help you. But then what happens? Will you have a ride on a horse? Will you have a ride on the horse? You want to get on the horse and experience how the ride is. He gently asked as he approached the ring. The child's throat tore into 1,000 shrill sobs, and he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. So what is the child asking now? Before he could realize that he has got lost from his parents, he wanted to get into the roundabout. We saw the last paragraph on the page 3. But now, when the man is offering him, he doesn't want to ride either on the horse nor on the merry-go-round. But what he wants his father and mother. His throat tore into 1,000 shrill sobs, meaning he's crying loudly, very bitterly. What is he asking? I want my father and my mother. I don't want to go anywhere else. Students, we will stop over here. I'll show you the board work where I have written the meanings. And after that, students, you have to write all the meanings in your fair book. Today I won't be sending you the question answers. I won't be sending you short question answers because there are so many meanings to write. I suppose you have done the homework of the idioms. Please do complete the work daily. Write the date because I am keeping the record in my notebook also. Okay? Here is the board where I have written the meanings. You have to write these meanings in your fair book. Students, there are about 25 to 26 meanings today. And therefore, I am not giving any other homework. without making a mistake. Write them in neat, clean handwriting. Learn them by heart. When you come to school, I'm going to give you the exam of the meanings. They are also known as synonyms. Okay? Have a good day. See you tomorrow.